Hi, so now you have another option on how to format your seller or your buyer inspection response. Once you get done selecting all the items you want to include in that response, come down here and click Generate Response. You still have the same option you always have, each item listed individually, and what that looks like when you download the addendum. It's every item in the report with its own specific request. Here there's 13 different items. The new option is you can group these by contractor. So basically it's generating a list of everything that an electrician might need to look at, or a list of everything a plumber might need to look at. And what this does is it makes the addendum a little bit smaller and possibly easier to read for a seller or a seller's agent. So you can see, like here, we just need a licensed contractor to fix these 3 items. We need a structural engineer to take a look at these 2. And now we have a list of 7. And the difference in the addendum, the way it looks, is now we have 7 items, and they're grouped by electrical, plumbing, structural. Just makes it possibly a little bit easier for the seller agent to digest or the seller to digest. So now you have an option. They both work with the same copy of the text. If you want to just copy this text into a state form, you can do it that way, or you can download a separate addendum. We're going to continue to keep improving on this program. Your feedback is greatly welcome and appreciated. Please reach out. Thanks.